Anyone want to go to the moon? This is so cool.
What are you?
Wow.
This is beautiful. Beautiful. The scenes are beautiful. They're so well made, very close. Nice.
Beautiful indeed.
They're going to close up a little bit too when I paint.
Oh yeah.
More, yeah.
That's why I made them as wide as I did.
What do you call it, sir? What exactly do you
It's
call
called
it?
a vortex.
A vortex.
I built it from a set of plans.
You bet you built it from a set of plans. Your own personal plans, or did you print them offline?
I bought them online.
Oh, interesting. You just buy that and you just craft it yourself.
But I modified it quite a bit.
Oh. Well, you're ahead of the game. This is the future. Just make your own car. Are you a engineer by trade?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice. What would we do without men like you, or engineers in general?
You just get bored and do stuff, right?
Yes, and you build spaceships. Well, thank you, man. I'm gonna show everyone all this.
You want me to put the top down?
Yeah, let's. Well, yeah, why not? Thank you, appreciate it. It's going down. Look at that. Whoa! Look at that. The sun hit. Oh, it's red. This is a legal vehicle. Was it a pain in the butt to get it all passed and smogged? I imagine.
There's no smog.
There's no smog. It's an electric car. No. But it was still a pain in the butt to get it certified here in California.
You gotta show them what's underneath there. Show them that open.
Oh, he did. He shut it down for me right now. That motor's impressive. The vortex. Well, the vortex is gonna need some more padding because my butt is too bony for this. I'm gonna need to put like a sofa cushion or something in here. Look at the wheels. Look at that. Look at the wheelies. Vortex, baby. See how it gets in. Huh. So you definitely gotta be a small person. Very fit person. There you go, let's get it in. You have a good day.
Thank you.
So look at that. Like a spaceship. Watch him drive off. Very interested to see how this baby sounds started up. It's electric, so maybe no sound at all. Buckle up. Safety first. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's on. I can't even hear it. You can't even hear it, folks. It's just floating like a spaceship. It might just take off in the air.